is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Nissin Big Cup Noodle lemon fried chicken flavor. Look at that. Limited release, I'm sure. This isn't going to be around for very long, so if you watch this and I put this out a year ago, I'm going to bet you a whole dollar that it does not exist anymore, because that's just how these things go. They come out with, like, I think I read a while back that Nissin comes out with 400 new different varieties every year. Well, they're not going to keep all of those in production the whole time, so there we go. And now we're going to add the boiling water to the fill line, and then you know what happens next, or do you? What happens next is we let it sit for 3 minutes, just like we do here. I didn't spill it. I didn't spill it. It's a red letter day. So, what's going on with all you folks? We just went and spent the afternoon while Miles was in school. Me and Kit and Mimi went around looking for a bread machine at thrift stores and had absolutely no luck. My buddy Matt got one for $7 at a Goodwill. We went to 3 different Goodwills. We didn't find any bread machines. However, found timer. It's always good. Found a new flavor of kettle chips, like a little bag. It wasn't used. It wasn't a donation to the Goodwill. But they've got snacks and junk up front. Got some Korean barbecue ones. They were pretty good. And got Mimi a toy to share with Miles. And I was thinking, like, you know what would be cool? There's something I used to do that I haven't done in years. And I thought I would try it again. So I, for a very, very short period of time, used to hang out with assorted humans, and I did this thing. People used to call me Hairball. First off, that was a long time ago. Nobody calls me. Well, a few people do, but I went by Hairball, and I was the robot Skinner. So, like, they made like Elmo and all sorts of different animatronic figures that were all fuzzy, right, and covered and stuff. Some of them walked, some of them just wheeled around freakishly. But found 3 of them today that look real good, and when you pull all their, like, armature and musculature and all that junk off, you simply have like this really freaky looking robot that'll have like a high-pitched squealy voice and do all these weird things. Well, yeah, so there will be new episodes of Hairball the Robot Skinner coming your way on the Ramen Raider channel soon. Yeah, I will share. Basically, I do like a time lapse while I take like pliers and scissors and all this stuff, because there's like if you've got one of these little robot things, they've got like zip ties inside. It's a mess. It's a pain in the butt to get it all off. Sometimes you got to use a screwdriver to loosen things because they tighten it underneath, but the finished product is usually pretty epic. There's a lot of wires showing. Yeah. My favorite one was a Care Bear that danced and sang Let's Get Physical, and it was the most freakish looking thing ever. It was really weird. I think we drew some eyes on it and stuff. It was really strange. But I used to have a huge collection of skinned robots. Like I did a thing at a, God, what was that place called? The something. But I went, my friend's band played, and they played behind me, and I was Hairball, the robot Skinner robot taxidermist guy. It was pretty neat. Look at that. See, look at that. That is one crazy looking cup noodle, wouldn't you say? There's a lot going on here. Now the question is it any good? Fried chicken with lemon cup noodles. I guess we'll have to figure that out really quick. And then I'll do something with it. Something. Noodles look pretty standardy-ish. Itadakimasu. I am looking in my mouth hole to find that lemoniness. Very salty. I mean, it's a cup noodle, come on. Egg? Not exactly. And this is, I'm gonna guess this is the fried chicken component. Oh yeah, I taste the lemon part in the little fried chicken component. I think that other little piece was potato. It's compelling. Ooh. It's really hot too. Did I already say that? Yeah, it's really hot. So let's do this thing up. What are we gonna do here? First, let's put the contents in. Don't come out all at once. Okay, there's our lemon fried chicken. We've got I baked some chicken with a little bit of extra hot Old Bay seasoning. A little bit of chicken on top. We're gonna allow a Holy Slicer to I swear, this machine loves doing what it does, and it does it so freaking well. Come on, Chiba. Do your thing, baby, do your thing. I'm gonna go up there. I still need to make something that'll like fit right here just right and elevate it. On a Boko block like that. There. We'll try this. I'm not gonna go much further than this. Okay. What do you think of that? We'll use a little sesame seed. And since I just recently found it, we're gonna use a little bit of black pepper. There we are. Fried chicken with lemon, cup noodle. That's new. I know they did a, what do you call it? A chicken nugget and french fry variety of cup noodle. And I really wanted to try it, but people were like, oh dude, you should. I'm like, man, that is off the market by now. But anyways, let's the Rotato do its thing. Alright, so the next one you're gonna see tomorrow will be one that came out of an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This will be Itsuki's matcha green tea buckwheat soba noodle. And it's got a dipping sauce and it's a cold noodle, so this is like zaru soba. So, sounds like fun to me. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.